This is my HTC Evo. I'm testing out a printed acoustic horn which I designed and just filming the results of it, so have a listen. It's kind of precarious here. It definitely amplifies the sound, mostly in the higher frequencies, I think. I think for a fuller range, I would need a longer horn. I'm still figuring out the how the geometry affects the spectrum and all that. But I think I'd like to make a folded horn, so the path of the horn comes up and goes down and something like that, to try to increase that spectrum and all that. So that's what I got so far.